to show you a method for division called box division. And to demonstrate this method, we're going to take 501 divided by 10. So in this case, our dividend is going to be 501. Our divisor is going to be 10. And our quotient is going to go on top. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to kind of box each of these numbers in the dividend off. So they each got their own little home to live in here. All right, and to start out, we're going to take 10. We're going to take our divisor, and we're going to see how many times it can go into our first number, which is 5. Right, so 10 can go into 5 0 times because 10 is bigger than 5. So we're going to put that 0 up at the top and then multiply that by our divisor, 10. So 0 times 10 is going to be 0. And we're going to put that right underneath that first number. And we're going to do a little subtraction. All right, 5 minus 0 is 5. Okay, what we're going to do next is we're going to take that 5 and we are going to bring it right up here. Right in our second box. So now instead of a 0, we've got a 50. So the question is, how many times can 10 go into 50? Well, we know that 10 times 5 is 50. So again, we're going to put that number at the top, right above the 50, right? And then multiply 5 times 10, right? It's going to be 50. Do a little subtraction again. 50 minus 50 is 0. And just like before, we're going to take that number and we're going to bring it up here into our next box, right? And even though it makes the same number, it's still 1, we're going to follow the same procedure just so we can get that procedure down, right? So now the next question is, how many times can our divisor, 10, go into that last number, 1, right? Well, 10 is bigger than 1, so it's not going to go into 1. So 10